Hello everyone, this is Ashraf from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today I'm here to present you a video assignment on UHV, which is called as Universal Human Values. Today I'm here to give a presentation on understanding the duality of human existence. Humans are remarkable creatures possessing a unique duality that sets us apart from other forms of life. We are made up of both a physical body and a complex, intangible self, our consciousness, emotions, and sense of identity. This interplay between the materials and the immaterials is what defines the core of human existence, shaping our experiences, relationships, and our places in the world. The concept of the self, or the essential being that defines one's personhood is a complex and multifaceted concept in human experience. At its core, the self encompasses an individual's thought, emotions, belief, values, and sense of identity. It is the inner world that shapes how we precise ourselves, interact with others, and navigate the world around us. The self is not a static or a singular entity, but rather a dynamic and ever evolving process shaped by our experience, relationships, and the socio-culture context in which we live. The self is intersocial, linked to our consequences, self-awareness, and the capacity for self-reflections, which allow us to explore the depths of our inner lives and understand our place in the broader human experiences. The physical body. The interactive biological system, the protective outer layer, the interconnected systems. The physical body is a marvel of a biological engineering, comprising complex systems and structures that work in harmony to sustain life. From the skeletal framework that provides structure and support to the interact network of muscles, organs, and tissues, the human body is a testament to the incredible adaptability and resilience of the natural world. The protective outer layer, the skin, the body's largest organ, serves as a vital protective barrier shielding the internal systems from the external environment. This remarkable tissue not only safeguard against harmful elements, but also plays a crucial role in sensory perception, temperature regulations, and vitamin D synthesis, highlighting the body's remarkable adaptability. The interconnected systems beneath the surface, the body's interact network organs, blood vessels, and neural pathways work in concert to sustain life. From the cardiovascular systems that circulates oxygenated blood to the deoxygenated system that breaks down and absorbs nutrients, each component plays a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of the human form. The relationship between the self and the body. The inceptional view, embodied cognition, mutual influence, so the self and the body are inextricably linked, two sides of the same coin that make up the human experience. The self, our inner consequences and sense of identity is profoundly shaped by our physical form and sensations. Likewise, our bodily experiences heavily influence how we precise and interact with world around us. Embodied cognition, mutual influences, self and the body exist in a constant state of dialogue with each influence the other. Our thoughts and feelings can manifest in physical changes while our bodily experiences shape our sense of self. This dynamic interplay is crucial for our overall well-being and personal development. The importance of acknowledging both aspects, the embracing the duality of our existence, the coexistence of the self and the physical body. Recognizing and honoring both these fundamental aspects is crucial as they are extricably linked and work in harmony. to shape our lived reality. Neglecting either the inner world of the self or the outer world of the body can lead to an incomplete and unbalanced understanding of the human conditions. By acknowledging the self and the body as equally important component of our being. We can strive for a more holistic and integrated approach to personal growth, well-being, and self-acknowledgement. The comparative perspective allows us to address the needs of both our inner consequences, exploring the physiological perspective, dualism, monoism, holistic perspective. So, dualism, the philosophical concept of dualism, shaped by thinkers like Descartes, posits that the human being is composed of two distinct substances, the material body and the immaterial mind or soul. This view sees the self as a separate from the physical form. Monoism, in contrast, the monoist philosophers believe that the self and the body are fundamentally one inseparable entity. They view human beings as a unified whole, where the physical and the mental are not distinct but intimately intertwined. Holistic perspectives, some Eastern philosophies such as Buddhism and Taoism present a more holistic view of the self-body relationship. They see the two as complementary aspects of greater whole with the mind and body existence that the dynamic balance and harmony. The role of consequences in the self-body dynamics. The relationship between the self and the physical body is deeply intertwined with the role of the consequences. Consequences as a subjective experience of awareness serves as a bridge that connects the inner realm of the self with the outer manifestations of the physical form. The integrated the self and the body of the holistic well-beings are first one is mindfulness, embodiment, harmony. The mindfulness cultivates present moment awareness. The embodiment deeply connects with the physical form. Harmony, the align the inner and the outer selves. Practical implications Practical implication for personal growth. Developing self awareness by acknowledging the duality of the self and the body, individuals can cultivate a deeper understanding of their thoughts, emotions, and physical experiences. This self awareness can lead to more mindful decisions making and positive changes in behavior. Balancing mind and body. Recognizing the interconnectedness of the self and the body can encourage individuals to adapt a holistic approach, a well-being integrated practices like meditations, exercise, and healthy lifestyles, such as to nourish both the mind and the physical form, embracing authenticity, accepting the complex nature of human existence with its mental, emotional, and physical components, can empower individuals to embrace their authenticated selves, leading to greater self acceptance and confidence and the personal growth. The embracing the complexity of human nature. In conclusion, we must acknowledge the profound duality that defines the human experience, the intricate relationship between the self and the physical body. This realization invites us to embrace the complexity of our nature and strive for a holistic understanding of our existence. The role of consequences in the self body dynamics is the relationship between the self and the physical body is deeply intertwined with the role of consequences. Consciousness as the subjective experience of awareness and serves as a bridge that connects the inner realm of the self and the outer manifestations of the physical form. It's through consciousness that we become aware of our own embodied existence, perceiving the world and ourselves in a holistic, integrated manner. Consciousness allows us to reflect on the dynamic interplay between the self and the body, recognizing their mutual influence and the need of harmonious integrations and enables us to cultivate self-awareness, to observe our thoughts, emotions, sensations, and consciously direct our actions and behaviors in alignment with our values and aspiration. By acknowledging the pivotal role of consciousness, we can deepen our understanding of the self-body relationship, unlocking the potential for personal growth, well-being, and a more fulfilling embodied existence. Exploring the nuances of the dynamic can lead to the transformation, insights, and empower to navigate the complexity of human nature with greater clarity and purpose. Thank you. Have a nice day.